Okay, VIRL Cisco. Okay, this site virl.cisco.com. Get Cisco Virtual Internet Routing Lab Personal Edition VIRL P 20 nodes. Okay, add to cart. Okay, go to this icon. Okay, create an account or use your existing cisco.com account. One, proceed to checkout. Okay, choose your preferred payment method. Okay, user license agreement. I agree. Place order. My account. Up here, my account. Okay, you can download the license file. The extension for this license file is .pem. Okay, now download VIRL. The first file is an OVA file. VIRL Personal Edition 1.5 release OVA for VMware ESXi deployment of the ESXi OVA requires one of these minimum ESXi versions before proceeding: ESXi 5.1, ESXi 5.5, ESXi 5.6. Okay, this OVA file should be installed in VMware ESXi server. For this, you need an additional server on your local network or on your network. Okay, and this additional VMware ESXi server is recommended because you will have dedicated CPU and RAM memory and hard disk on that server. Okay, so it's recommended, will work very well. Okay, enter the VMware ESXi server. Okay, create and register virtual machine. Deploy an OVA file. Okay, next. Choose a name. Click to select files. Choose this file. First, the ESXi OVA file. Open. And next. Choose the data store. I will choose the second. Next. For interfaces, network interfaces, I have only one, but you can choose here your preferred interfaces. And this provisioning, I recommend thick and power on automatically can be selected, is recommended. Next. Okay. Confirm all this data and do not refresh your browser while this virtual machine is being deployed. Finish. Okay, down here you can see the process that is still running. Okay. And This is the disk, is the OVA file is uploading. Wait for the process to finish. I recommend to use Chrome. Okay, I used Edge, but Edge failed to do this, and that's why I'm using Chrome. Okay, look at here. The operation timeout with the completed successfully. Go to virtual machines. Refresh. Okay, go to storage, data storage. This is the uploaded file. Okay. This is the virtual hard disk. Okay, import the virtual machine. Failed, but upload the disk was successfully. Create register virtual machine. Create a new virtual machine. Next. Choose a name. Okay, this name, compatibility 6.5, guest operating system, Linux, operating system version, Ubuntu. '64. Next. The storage. I will choose choose any, but I will choose data store number 2. Next. Hard disk number 1 is the default hard disk, the default virtual hard disk. Remove this, okay, and add a new one. Add a hard disk, existing hard disk, and choose the uploaded file. Okay, this is the new hard disk. The maximum size, the default size can't be modified. The provisioning tick, the name, the extension VMDK, and other settings. Okay, CPUs. Okay, choose the highest number that you want. I will choose 4. 4 CPUs is recommended or more, and 8 gigabytes. 8 gigabytes. Okay, is recommended. The USB controller can be support 3.0. Network interface. Video card, default settings. Next. Confirm all this and finish. Okay, go to virtual machines. Okay, successfully created. Go to virtual machines. This is the virtual machine. Now power on. Welcome to VIRL first deployment configuration. Okay, you will now be asked for information. Okay, enter for OK. Control P, Control N to navigate fields. Tap to switch between input fields and buttons. Spacebar to select items. Return to advance the next screen. Control U to erase current contents. Okay, next. Enter. Host configuration, the host name. This is the host name. I will add this. Okay. Domain name, NTP server. Not problem with this. You can modify. Tap. Next. Okay, select the interface. I have only one. Space. Next. Okay, I prefer static. Space. Next. Okay, this is the default, but modify this according your subnet, your local network. Okay, this IP address, this default gateway, first DNS, second DNS. Next. Okay, enter your passwords. Primary project name. Primary account password. User VIRL password. Okay, next. Okay, enable cluster mode. No. Next. Okay, ready. Okay, the user is VIRL. VIRL and success. Okay, go to VMware ESXi, turn off the machine. Okay, is power off and go to edit. On CPU section, expand this. And in hardware virtualization, expose hardware assisted virtualization to the guest operating system. Okay, save, power on. Okay, go to a browser and use the IP address assigned to this server. admin and the password, the previously configured password for this, and success. Okay, file it to check licensing status. Go to VIRL server, salt configuration and status. Click to reset keys and ID. Okay, click to load configuration file. And select the license file. Okay, for list of Cisco Salt masters, use the appropriate United States, Europe, or any Asia Pacific. Okay, this, in my case, this. And for master sign public key, only this. Do not use any other EFT.pub. Okay, for regular use, and click to reset. Okay, now the current status, all in green, all in green. Okay. Okay, go again to VIRL server and download. Select the appropriate installer for your operating system. Okay, that except for Windows, and this zip for Linux. I will choose this, the 64 bits VMware virtual machine VM Maestro. Okay. Keep. Okay. Go to the download directory. This installer. Okay, double click. Yes. Next. Agree. Next. Next. Install. Okay, run. Okay, I agree. Okay. The server is the IP address of your VIRL server. The username should be the previously configured username and password. Okay. Verify this, all should be green. And now, okay, you can create your topology. For example, on ASA, a router, layer 2 switch and X and server. Okay, make some connections. Okay, launch simulation. Okay, on topologies directory, save your topology, for example, topology 1.virl. Okay, okay, do you want to open the perspective now? Yes. Okay, starting nodes. Okay, node by node. Wait some seconds. Okay, the started devices with green color. Now all devices started, all in green. For example, you can access the ASI on console port, the router console port, switch console port, NX console port, and server console port. Okay. This is the ASI enable, no password, show running. Okay, very well. Now on the router, okay, iOS enter, switch, enable, show running config, show running config, NX, enter, admin, password, admin, show running config. Okay, all is working very well. Stop simulation. Okay. Okay, ready.